So how to clean your chakras? You need to prepare your hands first of all before you start cleansing. So put them together like that. And now start rubbing your hands together until they are warm. You need to close your eyes because you need to go within. If you keep your eyes open, your attention is outside. You need to go within and rub your hands until they become warm. Warm? So now my hands are warm. So spread them apart like that. And now try to bring your hands closer together, but do it millimeter by millimeter. Don't do it fast. If people do it fast, you miss it. You need to do it slowly until you feel resistance or tingling sensations in your hands. So I feel this resistance as tingling sensations. I want to bring my hands closer, but I can't because tingling sensations in my hands, I can't bring them closer. So these tingling sensations is your subtle energy. So it means when you feel tingling sensations, it means your hands are ready and you can do more work with your energy. So now I need to find the end of the aura that come from my solar plexus chakra. So solar plexus is located at the middle of my belly here. So I use my dominant hand, I'm right-handed, and I use my left hand like an antenna. So I need to find the end of the aura that come from this chakra, and this is the yellow chakra. It is the same technique for all chakras. Okay, now I need to find the end of the aura. So how do I know that I found the end of the aura? I test it, and testing is done by pushing and pulling the aura. You see, I'm doing push and pull, back and forth movements. And when I do that, pushing, pulling the aura, I feel that something is moving in my belly. I am not touching myself, I am touching the aura, but I feel that something is moving in my belly. This is the criteria that I found the end of the aura. So you need to do anti-clockwise movement with your hand to clean your chakra. To understand the direction, I recommend using watch. You only need watch to know ways clockwise, ways anti-clockwise. So you put watch face up, not like that, but face up, and you can use your finger. Okay, here is clockwise, anti-clockwise will be this way. And start doing anti-clockwise movement with your dominant hand as if you are scooping ice cream, because a chakra produces aura in a funnel. Funnel is like that. So you do scooping motions with your hand as if you are scooping ice cream, like that. Scoop, 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 and throw the toxic energy into the fire. I have a candle over there, burning candle. If you don't have a candle, you can visualize a fire in front of you. So you need to burn toxic energy when you clean chakras. Otherwise, if you throw the energy into the room, it will come back to you, or somebody else may pick it up, the toxic energy that you cleaned from your chakra. So you do it like that, scooping, scoop, scoop, and throw into the fire. Scoop, 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 and throw into the fire. Scoop, scoop, and throw. And do it until you feel lighter. And when you do scooping, You need to feel with your body that something is moving. Don't just do it like that and don't feel anything. It's maybe not really effective. It may still effective, but not really. You need to start feeling. See, I'm not touching myself, but I feel that something is moving. This is the criteria that you can remove anything. So now we do testing. Testing, you can use 2 hands or 1 hand, doesn't matter. You need to find the aura, the end of the aura, and test how clean it is. After cleansing, you feel much purer energy around your chakra. You feel lightness, transparency. So you generally feel lighter. Or use 2 minutes rule. 2 minutes per chakra, 2 minutes per technique rule, if you don't feel it as yet. But generally speaking, you need to learn to feel. When you start feeling, this is the criteria that you become energetically sensitive, and it means you can do so much work on yourself using your hands. You can pull out any toxic energy, you can pull out any energy of illness or pains and aches from your body. But this is, right now we are learning how to clean your chakras. So this is how you do it, with anti-clockwise movements. If you feel that you cleaned all the toxins from your chakra and the energy that comes from your chakra is very pure, now you can put positive constructive energy into the chakra. But you can only do it after cleansing. You can't put positive energy in before cleansing because chakra is unclean. You have to remove all the toxicity to be able to put energy into the chakra. So how to do it? Rub your hands together again. Close your eyes. Feel the energy ball. And now visualize that a yellow light entering your ball from the top of your head. You feel this yellow ball entering, and now you're holding a yellow ball of energy. Feel how different it feels to hold yellow color. So now take this ball, bring it to the solar plexus, and now you need to start clockwise. You can use watch again, okay, clockwise, and start doing clockwise movements. And feel that the yellow color penetrating through your stomach, your upper belly organs. This is how you do strengthening. Strengthening means putting positive energy into the chakra. This is how you do it. You clean it first with anti-clockwise, energy out, and then you put positive energy in, clockwise movements, energy in. This is the rule. Cleansing first, strengthening second.